Let's be real. Most people wake up like NPCs
Oh.
rolling out of bed, grabbing their phone and scrolling through nonsense before they even brush their teeth. Then they wonder why their life feels like a mess. The truth is, if your morning is chaotic, your life is chaotic. But if you take control of your morning, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. So listen up, because the way you wake up determines everything. Step 1. Win the first decision of the day. That first choice you make in the morning, it sets the tone for your entire day. And for most people, that choice is weak. Hitting snooze, rolling over, and procrastinating before they even start. But successful people, they get up immediately. No negotiations, no just 5 more minutes. Small habits create momentum. If you can't even win the first battle getting out of bed, you're setting yourself up to lose the rest of the day. Step 2. The 5-second rule. Struggling to get up right away? That's normal. Your brain is wired for comfort. But here's the hack. The 5-second rule. The moment your alarm goes off, count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. Don't think. Don't negotiate. Just move. Because the second you hesitate, your brain will talk you out of it. Beat your brain before it beats you. Step 3. Move before your mind wakes up. Most people wake up groggy and assume they need more sleep. Wrong. Movement creates energy. Do push-ups, jump squats, take a cold shower, whatever it takes to jolt your system awake before your brain convinces you to be lazy. When you move first, you take control, not your excuses. Step 4. Control your inputs. Your brain is most vulnerable in the first 30 minutes after waking up. And yet most people waste it drowning in social media, emails, and notifications. But your morning should be your time, not the world's time. If the first thing you do is check your phone, you're training your brain to be reactive, not focused. Instead, swap that habit for something that builds you up. Read, journal, or meditate. Control your inputs, and you'll control your life. Step 5. Dominate your first hour. Now that you're up, moving, and disconnected from distractions, it's time to set the tone for your day. Your first hour is your launch pad. Make it count. Review your goals. Remind yourself why you're doing this. Engage in deep work. Tackle your most important task first. Hydrate and fuel up. Water, something nourishing, no garbage. Set your intention. Decide how you want to show up today. Each step builds on the last. Win the first hour and you'll win the rest of the day. The real question, are you ready to wake up? Most people will hear this and go right back to their old habits. You're not most people. If you've made it this far, you already know the truth. Your mornings shape your life. So ask yourself, are you going to keep hitting snooze on your potential? Or are you finally ready to wake up and take control? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you're serious about leveling up, hit that subscribe button, because the next video is about to take your mindset to the next level. Until then, keep growing every single day.